Rem ke Jela. Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee lani MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala mentagasngi ula pentip ba on sa Pynshitom da ka Tyngeh ya Kino Nongthaw an ki bala Pynkhreh ila dia ban mi no naga Seng. Aga jingalang ka bekerki bala pelong ha Congress Bhavan aga bau MP Natura Seng sangma unongelam Congress Legislature Party uba Roni V Lingdo ki Working President ke Seng Congress ke Deborah Marak bat uba PNCM bat kiwai kilawan Malaysia bentalang. Kinongelam kila penpau ke jing snok hia jingmut jongki hakabaya day bat ki laingut ki Nongthaw an ki bala temu ban lej snok no bat ke Seng NPP. Uba pala uloong ba kene ke day ke jing persang jong ke senrop NPP bat BJP ban penjam kenap ya ke Seng Congress sapo ke Jela Meghalaya.
Definitely, I think if you listen carefully, I stated that we are immune to this. We have seen how many people left, and we didn't spare anyone who left the party we didn't spare anyone. So we told them whatever we have done before, the same actions will be taken to them. The party has a set of rules. The party has a set of practice. The party is always will maintain the same discipline. Will not do to this flow differently and that differently. We'll take action based on the reports on the ground also. We have got the reports from the blocks, we've got a report from the district, so we definitely will do that.